Again, if you need to see an example of me doing this, I would go back to problem number 29. But what I'd recommend you do over here is just write it down, right? This is going to be 3a to the 3/2, b to the 1/3, and then it's going to be plus 4a b to the 2/3 minus a to the 1/2. Write the other expression down. It's 6a to the 1/4 b to the minus 2/3 minus 8a to the minus 1/4, and then b to the minus 1/3, and minus 2a. I'm really jamming it in there, right? Minus 3/4. And just do the multiplication, all right? Do the term by term. And what I mean by that, just like we did for problem number 29, I took this term here and distributed across these three terms one at a time. Then I took this term here, distributed across these three terms one at a time. Then I took this term here and I distributed against these over these three terms over here. Had a bunch of terms listed, combined them, and I said when the dust settles, you should be looking at this as in the answer key. All right. Now, granted, someone says, I think you made an error. I'm not saying I didn't make an error. I find these to be tedious to do, by the way. But you're practicing. When you're practicing basically the rules of exponents and the distributive property, and then combining like terms. All right. I'm hoping you get that as an answer. And again, if you don't get that as an answer, whoops, sorry about that. If you don't get that as an answer, this over here, what I'd recommend to do is just email me and say, you know what? I think you made a mistake. And I'll more carefully look at the problem, by the way. All right? I do make mistakes sometimes. Thank you.